Samsung reveals U.S. pricing for its very curved gaming monitor. You're using an LG ultra-wide monitor right now to produce this thing, and it's incredible. 49-inch monitor. You have it set up as a dual monitor currently. It's just so functional.
It's great.
I don't know how else we would have achieved the setup that you have right now without a bunch of rigging and dual monitors and bezels. You have a dual monitor setup, essentially two 1080p monitors. More than that, actually. A little bit better than that, because this is 5120 across, whatever it is. Anyway, Will's essentially got a dual monitor setup with only one mounting bracket and one monitor. Of course, the one potential criticism is the fact that it's kind of hard to fit everything in the peripheral, the
peripheral.
The peripheral. And so Samsung says, well, here's how we're going to do it. We're going to curve this baby even more. All the way, it's going to wrap right around you. And then, therefore, it's going to be more immersive. And this is particularly for gaming, less so for productivity. I know you're using that one for productivity right now, which makes sense because it's a 60 hertz monitor anyways. Samsung says, oh, here's what we're going to do. It's going to be called the Odyssey. It's going to be 240 hertz. It's going to wrap all the way around you. 1 millisecond response. HDR capability. And since it's QLED, their QLED tech, it's going to have a peak brightness 1000 nits. And you're a big nit guy, Will.
Yes.
So I thought you would.
This is impressive.
I thought you would want to know about this. It's not going to be cheap. $1,700, 32:9 display. It'll be the same resolution as what you're using right now, I believe. 5120 by 1440. So productivity could still be cool on it. And of course, the whole idea here is to avoid the multi-monitor setup and all the rigging and wiring that goes with it. You have one display to give you the immersion that you previously would have needed multiple displays for. And so that's kind of cool. I'm excited to test it out. Their last version lacked a little bit for me on the resolution side. Their last version was just running, I don't know what it was. It was under 4,000 pixels across, and it's just not enough for something that's 49 inches, in my opinion. Of course, I wouldn't use it primarily for gaming, so I'm a slightly different customer. But this, you're talking about, let me just clarify for you, Will. You're talking about 240 hertz. 240 hertz at 5120 res. I don't know. That might be a first.
You need a beast of a rig.
You're going to need a beast of a rig.
Oh.
We could probably do it here.
Yeah.
We could probably drive that here. We got some rigs, dual. Kirk's rig. Kirk right now is editing dual 2080s. You believe this guy? And he just took the headphones off because we're talking about it. You see, he's looking over here again, and he's really missing out. What's that? Dualies. Okay, he just had to make sure that we knew. He's loving life over there. Dual 2080s. What a time to be alive. So we could steal his rig and run this monitor if we wanted to, and I might be able to get 1 kill in Valorant.
Yes.
And you might get 2 kills in Valorant. Sweet.